Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to boost a server on Discord. So, if you want to boost a server on Discord, you need to go over and click on the server name, go to server boost, and you'll see this animation. So here we have the server boost running around, spinning in air. And of course, you got the first level from 2 boosts, 7 and 14, which is the max level 3rd. And to boost the server, you click here. I'm not going to show my payment information, but you just click here and it will already redirect you into the paying page. So the payments that are here, I always use PayPal and credit or debit card. So there's at least 2 payments that can allow you to easily pay. So this is where you guys can boost the server. It's very easy. All you do is click this button, and once you click it, you will have an option to purchase some boosts. So that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.